Think you need a fancy industrial machine to replace jean zippers? Think again. I'm using a basic domestic machine right now, and you can too. Here's what makes it work. Start with a size 16 needle. It's strong enough to handle denim without snapping. Need to adjust your fabric? Leave the needle down. It anchors everything in place. Match your top stitch thread color and stitch length to the original. That's how you get a seamless professional finish. When you hit the zipper teeth, use your hand wheel. No forcing it, just manual control. Increasing your presser foot pressure keeps thick fabric from shifting while you sew. Go slowly over those bulky seams. Multiple layers mean more resistance. Patience prevents broken needles. And that's it. Patience and practice. You don't need thousands of dollars in equipment to start making money with alterations. You just need the right technique, and I teach that inside Jackson's Sewing Academy. Ready to learn?